Today we are going to try on some of my sample pieces for Zate and see how they actually look. Okay, so this is our logo tank. I'm actually loving it. It's good, it feels really comfortable. It's super stretchy. I'm loving the back. That looks so good. Love the low back, but it still hides my bra strap, which is perfect. I'm really this was a good one. Next, we're going to have a little mini moment with our velvet dress. It's 3 degrees in Melbourne right now. This is called dedication, but I actually don't mind it. The shape fits perfectly, which is good. My shoulders are they're not falling off or anything. They're not too tight. It's very good in the sizing aspect. Let me know what you think on this one because I'm about 80% sure on it. But that's our velvet mini dress. Okay, this is our square neck tank. I have to say, it's probably a no for me. First of all, I don't like the way that it is double lined. I think if I was to remake it, I would have it doubled over and overlocked. I also find that it's really gapey up here and it just shouldn't be. I wanted it to be like that, tight, stretched over me. This is supposed to be a size small and I just find, the sizing's off. These are too gapey. I think I can do better. I'm thinking maybe a round neck, a little bit more lower cut. Seeing that my other tank is high neck, I feel like we need to go a little more risque. These are our cotton linen look pants. They're not bad. They're light. They're a good fit for a size small. They're a little bit roomy, which is what I wanted. I don't want them tight skinny jeans. I'm just not sold on this colour, but let me know. Again, you guys get to decide on all of this stuff. I do like them. They are good. They're quite comfortable and they're very light for summer. I need to think about it, but let me know what you guys think. Oh my God, these are the jeans. Big no. Sorry, you don't even get a choice in these ones. We're going to find the other manufacturers that make better jeans. They are so huge. They're so baggy. This is a small. I've got the Jenny Craig moment happening. How can you tell me that that's a small? There's a good 3 to 4 inches extra around the waist and around the crotch and around the everything. I knew from the quality of these that they were not a good fit, but what even is going on here? They do fit me perfectly around the waist. Maybe that's where they're meant to be, but you can't even see my feet. Maybe I'm just not a tall model. Even on my tippy toes, they're all over the ground. I couldn't even wear high heels high enough for these to not touch the ground. I feel with these ones, there's no point going back to the manufacturer and being change the length, change the size, change the crotch being so, I look like a rap singer. Anyway, these are going to be donated straight away, immediately. I am not stocking this exact pair of jeans. I knew it, and these were the most expensive item, and that's okay because we want to make everything as good as possible for you guys. So yeah, it's a no. Okay, this is our summer dress in the black. I actually don't mind it. I think it's really cute. I think up here the detail is gorgeous. It's not too tight, which is perfect, but it's tight where it needs to be. So these straps here are quite tight. They're not painful. It's just enough that it's not going to slip down and be like this all night. It definitely stays in place, which I love. I love this little gathered area here. That worked out perfectly. I don't know if I should change the fabric. It's sort of very silky. I just don't know if I should go for a more raw material like a cotton or something like that, but I think this will wash well and it won't need to be ironed too much. I definitely want to wear this one out and just see how it goes, see how it lasts. But so far I'm impressed actually. I didn't think this was going to be 100%, but I'm really happy with that actually. Yeah, that's cute. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. This is our Zate logo tee. So it's a little bit cropped, but realistically it goes just below the hip. So it's not actually a crop, but it sort of rides up a bit. So I've worn my pants low to show you the length. I really like it. It's smooth. It's very stretchy. I like where the logo is up here. Love the size. Everything's perfect. Let me know if you guys would make any adjustments. I think the sizing is pretty accurate. It's a small, but they are stretchy, so just order your true size if you're ordering this one. I will definitely be releasing this, and if you're getting a PR pack, you'll expect one of these to be in there, definitely. Love it. Happy with it. I will be testing this exact design with other manufacturers as well so we can compare. But yeah, let me know if you would wear this. I'll probably be in this every single day. The two ones with the Zate logo on them are my favorite. Love it. So happy with it, and I'm so glad they turned out perfect. The shorts that I said that I didn't like, I actually love. Huge pockets, which are so good, so stretchy. They're a good length, they're the right size. They're very tailored, which is spot on what I wanted. I wanted it to be comfortable and I wanted them to be tailored and professional looking. The kind of shorts that you can wear out to lunch, out to the beach, versatile. I could wear these with my sandals and they're a casual, fun look. And then at night I can dress them up, put some heels on, put a nice like low cut cow neck kind of shimmery top or something like that. And they're perfect. I actually am debating having these now. Like I said in the unboxing video, the quality and the stretch and everything like that was perfect with these. I was just a bit like unsure if I wanted to do shorts and how they'd actually look on, but they are like exactly what I wanted. I'm definitely thinking a yes, but let me know, would you even wear these? Is it just me that's going crazy over these shorts? Cute. I just realized I left the hook on the shorts the whole time. So good. Our blazer. So it is stretchy. It is very fitted in the way that I want it to be. It goes in at the waist, perfect in that aspect. But the sleeves. I don't know what measurement I put in, but I'm pretty sure they were not this short. So that's not okay. So I either want it full length, a little bit wider so you can roll them. I mean, I still can roll these. Or I want them literally like up here permanently. Whether I do a gathered, whether I do a roll, I'm not too sure, but it's a little bit tight on the arms, a little bit short on the shoulders as well. So that's a small, and I take normally an extra small to a small. So something's off with the pattern. They've either got the measurements wrong. I don't know. It's a bit annoying because how do I explain? Like, can you follow my tech bag? Like the measurements and the sizing are on there. A little bit frustrating. There may be a hold on the blazer. I am going to launch in summer. So I do have time up my sleeve to get the blazer right, but let me know, are you guys blazer people? I definitely am. I love a blazer. Like, really, I will have a blazer for Zate. And I will stock a blazer all year round once I get my design right. But yeah, I do love the pockets. They got that right. They nailed the brief. But it's just the arms, the entire sleeve and shoulder is just a bit off with the sizing. Everything else is good. Let me know what you think. Our tailored pant, they are good from the back. I love that elastic waistband, but here, I don't know what's happening. Obviously, because I've made them wide leg, it's like gone into the crotch. I don't know, maybe the pleats are in the wrong spot. I feel like I need to go back to the drawing board on these. I definitely want to stock a tailored pant. They're also a little bit too short for my liking. And I think I would change the fabric. As much as this one feels nice and beautiful, it's very stiff and starchy. I feel like I don't want the legs to just be full wide like that. Like I want them to be like flowy and drop. So that you can like wear it with sneakers, wear it with heels, and it's still gonna like look presentable and professional. Definitely want to keep these. Let me know. I will definitely be making adjustments. I might adjust the zip too. I feel like this is very standard. Like a lot of brands have very similar pants to this. So I might try and like switch it up with the button or something like that, make them different. Let me know what you think of the tailored pant. So far I'm leaning to 5 items as yeses. This is subject to change because if I get better samples from other manufacturers on my other designs that are different, I might go with those instead. So we've got the Zate logo tee. I do like the velvet dress. My favorite of all, the tank. I freaking love this, like obsessed. The tailored shorts have made it into the yes pile. I definitely want them. Still want to see what you guys think. If you all hate shorts, just tell me. Probably still order them. And I've put the dress in there. I really liked it. Like it was really comfy, really airy and flowy and pretty good. I'm impressed. I did not think that I would get 5 items that I was impressed with straight away. I will be making little tweaks to some of them with the manufacturer, but nothing major. They'll pretty much be exactly what you see here. So those are my 5 yeses for now. These are my maybes. The pants, the colour is just doing me. Like, I'm sure some of you are going to turn around and be like, I love that color. Maybe a tan, like a beige. Another maybe is the tailored pant. I cannot sell it the way that it is. I'm just not happy with the length. I'm just not happy with the way it sits around the hips and stuff like that. Just definitely going to be a wait on those and testing out my other manufacturers for sure. The square neck tank. It's a definite no, but it's in the maybe pile because I am going to make adjustments. I probably will do a whole different design essentially, but it'll be something similar, that same stretchy plain tank. Would you guys want a logo on it? Probably not. I could do one down the bottom, but honestly, I think like a good basic doesn't need a logo every time. And lastly, the blazer. It's a no, but it'll probably be redesigned at some stage because I love a good blazer and I need a good blazer. For now, it's goodbye to the blazer. I'm probably not going to listen to anyone if they say I don't like blazers because I feel like it's such a staple for a capsule wardrobe. And how could I forget the jeans? Do I even need to say any more? Like that manufacturer. I don't even know why I ordered the jeans. Seriously, yeah. We'll work it out. There will be denim because I'm a big denim girly. But I like to be comfortable in my denim and these are just not good. See you later. So I hope you got a better vision of me trying those on. Hopefully some pieces have caught your eye. Let me know what you love. Let me know what you don't love. Have a laugh. Go ahead. The jeans were... I have no words for them. But let me know what you think. And if you're excited as I am to start Zayt, jump over to our socials and make sure you're ready for the launch.